All right, we're gonna do a room tour for room 218. This is the Marriott Rome Flora. Walk in, we've got a corner room. Here's the bathroom, the usual bidet, nice stand-up shower, toilet, some robes, hair dryer, plenty of closet space. I guess I should have turned the light on, but I don't know where it is. A nice king-size bed, a work desk, TV, and then we've got the corner room, so that's the front door there. A nice big window, and that's the something Uruguay embassy, and right behind that is, right down that is the American embassy. So definitely plenty safe. And we have a mini bar, and as platinum our perks were some drink vouchers and breakfast on the terrace.